Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Dave from WebFit Performance, and what we are going to go over today is a 15-minute core overload class. Okay, it's just going to be 15 minutes. We are going to do it together. We're going to absolutely smash it. All right, what I want you to do is throw some music on in the background that is motivating for you, because everybody likes different things. Follow along and let's smash it for 15 minutes. Okay, so make sure before we do start, you are warm, you are ready to go. I have my heart rate monitor on to see exactly where I get to and what my output is. This is a MyZone belt. If you haven't or seen one before, go and check them out. All right, 15 minutes, make sure you're warm, and let's get to it. First exercise we're going to go over is the high plank, okay? So when it's come into a high position, squeeze the hips under and draw the elbows towards the centre of the body. Okay, hold it, squeeze and dig in. 15 minutes of work. Good, create the contraction, squeeze as hard as you can. Really push your shoulders into the floor, push them away, squeeze. Suck that core in. And relax, and you get 20 seconds rest. What we are going to do is it's 40-20 all the way through every single exercise. Sit-ups now, nice and controlled, just squeeze. On your backs, nice and controlled. Sit up in whatever fashion. Nice and controlled. 40 seconds. Squeeze, no throwing. All right. Even if it is literally just there. Just contract here. Yeah. If you've got a high range, then let's go. 3 rounds all the way through. Oh, 20 seconds. Remember, have that music going. Keep yourself motivated. Let's smash it together. Low plank now. Rather than being locked out, you're going to be on your elbows. Okay? Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2. Exactly the same. Squeeze your glutes in. Pull the elbows towards the center. And squeeze. Straight away my core is getting overloaded. I can feel it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Ah! If you drop, go to your knees and still squeeze. You can still squeeze. Pull that elbows in. Come on. I want you to smash it. Feel the core. Let's go. Come on, we don't stop, we don't stop. 2, 1. Oh, these 3 rounds are going to be very interesting. Alternate leg raise now, so on your backs. Lying down from here. Yeah. Consistently all the way through. Alternate legs. Up. Come on. It is hard, very hard. Let's go. Push it. Push it. Come on. Oh, it is very hard, fatiguing. Ah. 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 Oh. As you can tell, it is very overloading in the core area, so you will need a second at some point. Take it, okay? And then let's continue. Plank rotations now. So we are going in a low plank position and we are just dumping our hips left and right, okay? Are you ready? So from this position. 2, 1, let's go. Lock out, right hip down, back in. Keeping the hands flat. Come on then, come on. Keep going. Overload that core, come on. Ah, wow. Oh, that is 1 round done. 2 to go. Oh wow, let's absolutely smash it. Back to the high plank. Nice and tall. Locked out arms, squeeze. Let's go, we're up. Squeeze your glutes in, don't want to see high position. Draw it in, push them shoulder blades away, hands and fingers into the floor. Ah, come on, 2 more rounds. 15 minutes of work, that is it. All right, let's smash it. We've got to overload it, we haven't got much time, so make sure we work it properly. Ah. Come on, come on, come on. Well done, everybody. Keep pushing, we're nearly there. Work, it's 15 minutes of work together. Relax. Oh, you should feel a stretch straight away. So much contraction, so much tension going on in the midriff. All right, that's what we want. Low plank. No, not yet. Sit-ups. Nice and controlled. Let's go. Oh, wow. I'm feeling that now because we've gone from a hold to a movement. Static tension to dynamic tension. Oh. Anyone else? Woo! Come on. Everybody's in the same boat. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Oh, wow. That was completely different. Round 2. Well done, everybody. Now we're in the low plank. Yeah? Good solid position. Pull it in. Let's do it. Let's go. Same again. We're back into static tension now. Hold the position. Pull the elbows in. Squeeze the glutes. Glutes keep the tension and everything screwed in together. If we're loose, we'll get an arch back. Tight. Hollow. Suck that belly button up. Come on. Come on. Oh, wow. Oh, push it. Come on. Come on. Keep going. 2, 1. Oh. Anyone else? Alternate leg raises, so we're on our back. All right, this is getting close to the end of set 2. Start position on our backs. Let's go. Stretch, contract, stretch, contract, stretch, contract. Everyone is feeling the same. Come on. Wow. Oh. Plank rotations, then we are into our final round. Wow. Oh, big stretch right up the front. Plank rotations now. Come on, end the round 2. 2, 1, let's go. Well done, everybody. Come on. 15. Let's go. This is tough. If you need to stop, stop. Get back up again. Come on, what do you want it for? Come on, what are you doing it for? Come on, remember it. Let's go. Oh, to get to that next level, you've got to push past them boundaries. We've got to work, we've got to go hard, you've got to push. If you don't push past them hard things, you're never going to be out of your comfort zone. High plank, squeeze, last round, let's do it. Come on, 2, 1, let's go. Last round, smash it. Try and make it your target not to stop. All right? Push through. Good, squeeze your glutes, get the music on, get the music blasting, let's go. Let's go. Oh. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my God, the core's on fire. Core is on fire. Suck it in, glutes on. 1. Oh, no way. Oh, anybody else? Oh, sit-ups. Exercise 2 of the last round. Sit-ups, we're in. 2, 1, let's go. Remember, it's about the contraction, not the position we get in. Yeah? Keep squeezing the core. Come on. Contract. 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 Oh. Wow, low plank now. Come on, 3 exercises left. Oh, absolutely good work. Everybody should feel this system working, shoulders working. All right, low plank. Let's do it. 2, 1, let's go. Come on, team. Come on, remember what we're doing it for. Remember your why. Remember, push through. Come on. How bad do you want it? How bad do you want it? Let's get fucking stronger. Let's push. Let's push. Let's push. Next level shit. Come on, come on, come on. We do not drop. We do not drop. If you do, get back up. Come on, back up, back up, back up. Keep contracting. Don't get lazy. Don't get lazy. 2, 1. Oh. Wow. Oh. Alternate leg lifts and then plank rotations. Final 2. Final 2. Come on. 2, 1. Let's go. Come on. Oh, the contractions are getting harder. Come on. Oh, we're cramping. Oh. Woo. Last one, team. Come on. Last one. Well done, plank rotations. Oh, 15 minutes of good, solid overload. Come on. 2, 1. Let's go. Come on, last 10. Let's go, just dump them hips. Oh. Woo! Yes! That is a wrap. That is. Oh. Solid work all the way through. Well done, team. We smashed it. You did it. Fantastic. Keep pushing, keep working hard. Remember your why. Remember why you're doing this shit. Remember why you're pushing yourself through the limits, through the boundaries, and why you want to get to that next level, okay? That is what keeps you going. Do not lose sight of that, all right? If you've got any questions, please put them down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Please like, please share. Please comment on what you guys want to see, all right? I want to create that. I want to create this platform for you guys to enjoy, learn more, and get more knowledge from it, okay? And have more resources. That's what it's about, all right? Any questions, please let me know. Other than that, I shall see you guys in the next video.